and Sarah, just living our dream. Out on a limb, we're a wild, funny team, vlogging our lives with a twist of the sun. Join us on adventures, we're just having fun. From the heart of Orlando, where the laughter runs free, theme parks and thrills, come and roll with me. We're riding coasters high, the screams in the air, with Lee and Sarah, you know there's love everywhere. We're just us being us, so don't take it too serious. Join us on our journey, it's vibrant and curious.
We're back at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. So the nice thing is, we're in our room now, so we've got basically a full day, because I think it's about 9:15 now, half now. So we've got an extra full day in Fort Lauderdale, and we've been given a free upgrade. So it's like,
look at the balcony.
it's like a big kid. It's like the room, exactly the same as the room we had before we went on the cruise, but yeah, it's a corner room. I've got, yeah, 2 bits if I can get out the door. Oh, it's just, we've upgraded as Sarah put the wall lights out. Lift handle and rotate knob. Yay! So yeah, how's that for a view? So we're on floor 8 this time. I think we was on 5 last time. Oh yeah, it's got a jacuzzi.
That one there last time, summer dance. That one was there this last time.
So I think we've landed our feet with this room. So yeah, what we're going to do now is go freshen up a little bit, and then have a wander around Fort Lauderdale.
Good morning everyone. Hi, this is Sarah here from Out on a Limb Family Vlogs. I'm just going to give you a little show around the Hilton Marina at Fort Lauderdale, which is a nice little hotel in a great little spot. Been over if you are going on the ferries, because you can see in the distance just there, that is where the Fort Lauderdale cruise terminal is. There's one in there at the minute actually. The Disney Dream normally goes that way on, but yeah, you can see a ship just about there, yeah. So I'll just give you a little tour around. So this is like the parking bit. And you've got a tower block just up here. This is just to the left of the main entrance. It's got a nice little shop inside that sells all your basic bits and bobs if you run out of anything. So that's in here. So get stuff to the beach. And then you've got all your suntan lotions, your snacks, t-shirts, flip-flops, dresses if you've forgotten anything or you want anything new for when you go down to the beach. Got quite a few nice things in here as well. And there's caps as well. So that's your little gift shop. Sorry. And if you just come out the gift shop, it's got a nice little walkway down there. Oh, there's some beautiful boats, marina. And then you can go that way and then it'll take you to the back of reception. So I'll just take you back from to reception again. See this car. I've seen them in some colours, but I must admit the matte black is probably the best colour I've seen it in. I've seen it in silver and it just looks a bit naff to me. They do a shuttle to the Fort Lauderdale beach from here. So there's 3 in the morning, well 9, 1 and 3 you can see there, and then they'll pick you up and bring you back at the other 3 times, and you can have your valet parking as well. We've got a nice little reception area here. On the right they've always got some nice cold water, some lemon. That lemon water is really nice, it's all nice and cold. And you've got your reception. And the staff here have been lovely. And then you've got a little dockside shop here. It's open from 6 till 9. So you can get your energy drinks, a few snacks, and you can get lots of coffees, beer, sandwiches, wine, and some little salad packs down there as well. Got some milkshakes, some coffees, got some ice creams, and then they do some really nice coffees up there as well. Got a menu there, if you can see that. And just at the back of reception, there's a nice little sitting area down here. You do get some strange people in the lobby here though. Don't we? Say hello. Whoever doesn't know us, this is my husband. You'll always know him by his blue beard. Pardon? Just talking about you. Yeah. Back up the stairs again. If you're doing the Disney cruise, they're always here the day before you come on the cruise. You can get extra luggage tags if you need any, and they'll also make sure you've got some, you get a piece of paper with a different Disney character on it, and then you know which boarding, when you are boarding and everything, they'll give you that, and then they'll sort that out for you. Any questions as well. And then if you go to the right of this corridor here, that way, there's the cruise waiting area for when they pick you up. We paid, I think, $31 each to use the Disney pickup service, and it was probably worth it actually, because it was easy, just straight on the bus, straight round, and we got on the ship a bit earlier as well. So we've got all the different conference rooms, loos there. Yeah, they do seem to do a lot of conferences at this place. Little quiet sitting area here. Surprised there's nobody sat there actually, it's normally quite busy. It's got a lovely little outdoor sitting area there. Nice little view on the marina. And then this way takes us to Olive and Sea, which is their restaurant and bar. Beautiful pool area over to the left. And it's got lots of nice little shaded areas as well, because that's what I like. I'm not one for sitting in the sun myself, but there's always plenty of sunbeds. And you've got a little bar just around the back here. You can just get local beers and cocktails. One thing I will say, I just bought 2 coffees from the shop here, and they cost me $16 for the 2. And if you go out the main reception and turn right, it's only about a 5-10 minute walk. There's a Walgreens there, and you can get sort of like 2 coffees for that price of 1. So you've got some fitness centre there, and the Harbour Villas. Come down this way, and this is the way you would go if you were waiting for a cruise line pickup for Disney. And people wait around here, and then they wait there, and the buses are all waiting for you at the bottom there. So you can come out the hotel here and go and drool all over these beautiful yachts. There was 2 parked up over there last week, sort of this area here. They were absolute beauties, but this one looks brand new. I was even saying there's not even a like scratch on the anchor. Immaculate. So you've got a nice little walkway there. If you come out the door here at the back, turn right, it's got your water taxi stop for, which is a really good stop to take you up to Hollywood Beach to the right, or you can go north that way and it will take you up to Ohhhhh Boulevard, that area. There's loads of food places and shops, or you can go that bit further on. We just sat the first time we used it. We just sat on it and it was just really nice looking at all the different villas. Some beautiful houses. So yeah, this takes you up to the Olive Sea. I'm going to have another break. Not working. So you just take the lift up to the second floor and you've got your Olive Sea, which is lovely sitting out there. They do a buffet breakfast in the morning. I did film that first time he was here, so I could pop that in later. They do a lunch menu and they also do an evening menu, and we've just had snacks and nibbles and things here, and it's always been really nice. We've got a lovely bar staff here, really nice. And they do some nice cocktails as well. Nice to be able to show you while it's quiet like this. Obviously there's your kitchen, loads of lovely seating areas here. We'll probably pop up for a cocktail later on tonight if we make it. There's a little private room just here. And then the outside. It's quite nice out here on the night time. Nice lovely breeze today. It's not too hot. But yeah, as you can see, it's a good view for the boats coming in and out. It's a nice one coming up. Yeah, just down there where you see that chap is on that gangway a little bit there. Just here. That's your bus, or your stop number 4 for the water taxi. And then you can go all the way further up that way to Hollywood Beach, which was lovely. We went there yesterday. It was a really, really nice beach. Loads of little bars and places to eat there as well. Hi, Saffy back again. Right, so I've just used the beach shuttle from the Hotel Marina in Fort Lauderdale. It literally takes 10 minutes and it drops you off here, this hotel here. The beach is literally just across the road. But we're a bit hot and thirsty, so if you walk to the right, if you go along here, there's a little deli market there, and then it takes you to the Marina Village. So it's got parking there if you're driving, and it's got loads of little food booths, drinking booths. So we're just going to pop there to get hydrated. Just don't forget, you need to keep well hydrated in this heat. So we're just going to pop there and we'll go from there. So these are all the little food booths. So these are all the little food booths. We've got sushi. Then there's Yip, that does lots of little poke bowls and stir fry bowls. Then you get your boba milk teas. The Philly cheesesteak sandwiches here. Salads, rice bowls, coffee smoothies. There's some more rice bowls and burritos menu.
Oh yeah, there was that rice.
And then there was all your different lobster rolls and things on this one here. We also have burgers and shakes. Surely, the old boat there, if you want to go and have a cocktail. They don't do food on there, but they just do drinks. Quite nice setting actually, that. And you also got blue steel pizza. chocolate, which is all the rage.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you. They've got a good menu here. Oh, we could get gelato with liquor. Ooh, might have to come back here. It sounds really good. I'm going back to this one here. It does gelato with liquor in it. Yeah, we ate here last time. I think we had the bowls, didn't we? And they were really nice. Yeah, and you can get tacos as well. And then there's just the bar along there, which was a nice bar to sit at. So that's my quick guided tour around the Hilton Marina at Fort Lauderdale. Thank you for watching. Oh, and if you'd like, we'd really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, which is Out on a Limb Family Vlogs. I don't do much camera shooting because I'm not the best. Lee does most of it, but I have started doing a few little room tours, so if you follow us, we'd really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.
Sometime later.
Hello, it's Saffy Cam. Lee said to me I'm not allowed to come out and film. For some reason I'm not. I'm sorry, but we've been out. We've had a really good night. So we come back to the hotel now. I've been in a 4:30 bar room bar. So this is our view after tonight. Look at it, it's cool. That's so cool, isn't it? Sorry guys, I'm a little bit tipsy. Look at that. That's downtown Fort Lauderdale, and then that's like beach side Fort Lauderdale. And I must admit, I love Fort Lauderdale, and we've not seen half of it, and he's so cool, so friendly. Have we loved Fort Lauderdale?
What?
I'm just saying, Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale. Oh, history.
Fort Lauderdale. Sorry.
Sarah's a little bit plastered. Fort Orlando, everybody.
Fort Lauderdale downtown. Fort Lauderdale.
So this is, yeah, that. Oh, can I smell that? Somebody's having a barbecue. We need food. We need to get some food down you. Come on.
We've not eaten.
Come on. See how many people are getting insulted in the bar. I'm just glad Shan dropped her phone. Anyway.
What a taxi. What a taxi. What a taxi.
And Saffy Cam. Scene.
Deleted already.
I'm not deleting it, sweetheart, because that's probably quite amusing.
Hey y'all, watch this. We're living, kicking, it's not just a show. Out on a limb, come on, let's go. Family vlogs, it's all about the fun. Just us being us, under the sun. When board shorts are on, we're ready to play. Orlando, Florida.